The lift table from Rotary specifically it's definitely got a lot of advantages. We have enjoyed different aspects about it. The design of having a work table and the scissor lift table, that's a very forward thinking. That was a future-proof design in order to be able to lower it down, have the EV battery right on that work surface, and be able to wheel the table right away and continue removing engines out of another vehicle, because that's been a great advantage as well, because we don't slow down. As flat rate technicians in this shop, that's the primary thing they're always concerned about. How do I stay busy? How can I continue making money? And again, that flexibility allows them to continue moving on without missing a beat. Rotary's design on this lift table, I think it's the most advanced table that's available.